Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I can show you that how you can save good amount of money when you are buying something on AppSumo. I did all my calculations and everything, it's there here on my notepad, and I'm gonna show you that how you can save good amount of money when you are buying something on AppSumo on a big tier license. Like you are buying a tier license, tier 3, 4, whichever license, the license which is costing you more than 150 or 120, $30, how you can $150 plus dollars, you can save good amount of money on that. So right now we're gonna work on the AppSumo deal, which is like about Pictory, 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 I think it's a name, yeah. So the deal name is Pictory. If you can see on my screen, I've already selected it. So I'll just gonna do one thing. I'm gonna start it from beginning for you guys, so that you guys have a clarity that how exactly I'm doing it. So guys, if you see on my screen, I'm already into my AppSumo account. So what do you need to do for this? So the first thing you need to do is you need to have a brand new AppSumo account. And once you have a brand new AppSumo account, just verify your email address and everything, get it done. And after that, once you have a brand new AppSumo account, just log in into your account, and once you are logged in into your account, select the deal. So over here I'm gonna select the deal Pictory over here. So I just selected the deal Pictory, and I'll click on view plans. So if you see, I'll click on view plans. So it has tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 license. So I'll go for tier 3 license, and let me see that how much I'm saving in tier 3 license. So right now the tier 3 license is for $259. So if we do the math, so tier 3 license is for $259, fine. And if we select this as buy now, if you see right now, it has applied this code over here. I'm already getting 10% discount. So let me do minus 10% off as new account. So minus 10% off as new account. So I'll be getting an off of $25.90. So that makes it that the price comes to $233.10. Now moving ahead, the next thing we need to do is we need to have a briefcase account. So for this, we're going to create a new briefcase account, which I have already created. So this is my briefcase account. I just created my briefcase account, and I have just have I've just spent $147, and in $147 I'm getting 197 credits. So that means by spending $147 on AppSumo briefcase, I'm getting $197 as a reward from AppSumo. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this briefcase account to my AppSumo account. So I'll go to my account overview. So over here it is showing the sync with briefcase account. So I'll just click on sync with briefcase account. So the moment I'll click on this, so it has synced it with my briefcase account. If you see, my briefcase account is already synced, and I'll go back to my cart. So you see, I have got $23.31 more as a discount, if you see on my screen. So it's like I'll gonna just minus 10%. Oh, sorry, minus 10%. Just give me a second. Minus 10% as a briefcase member discount. So I got more as $23.31 as discount. Now my price comes out to be $209.79, which I have to pay to AppSumo for getting the tier 3 license of Pictory. Perfect. So now the next thing I'll do, I'll go to proceed to checkout. My briefcase account is already linked with this. So if you see, effectively I have to pay $13.79 more. Only $13.79, because I have already got $196 from my briefcase account. My briefcase account, which I bought for $147, gave me $196 as a credit, and they are applied over here. So I just paid $113.79 more I have to pay to get this deal. So what I will do now next is I'm gonna attach my debit card with this, and by paying only $13.79, I am getting this deal. So if we do the math over here, we got this deal let me write minus AppSumo briefcase, just a second, briefcase credits, that is like $196. So now total balance I have to pay is, so the balance I have to pay is $13.79. So I have to just pay $13.79 to get a tier 3 license. So how much I saved? So if I do the calculation over here, if I do the calculation of saving over here, it's like I saved $25.90, then I saved $23.31, and I saved in my this one, what do you call it, my briefcase account, I paid $147 and minus I got $196 and I paid $146 to AppSumo. So let's do the math over here. It's like, I paid $147. So if I minus 196 minus 147, so I just gained $49 also from here. So in total I saved 25.90 plus 23.31 plus 49. So I just saved $98.21 on this deal. So this deal actually effectively costed me, if I minus $259 minus $98.21, so it actually costed me 259 minus $98.21, so $160.79. Wow, it's a good amount of saving, guys. $100 saved on the tier 3 license. And if you see Pictory's tier 2 license is $100 and I think $15 or $20, just paying $40 more, you are getting a tier 3 license. What else you want? Like, this is amazing. So I'm just stopping my video because I have to put in my credit card and debit card details, and I'll be grabbing this deal. So I'm gonna see you into my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and all the best.